Many years ago, I made a video on how to cough when you have pleurisy, and this somewhat simple video was very helpful to lots of people. I had a lot of feedback from it. This involved basically clutching a pillow to your chest and bending forward when you cough. Anyway, today I'm not talking about someone with pleurisy. I'm talking someone with a chesty cough, and it's amazing that people do not understand the physics, the science, if you like, behind coughing. Because you can cough in such a way as to evacuate your lungs of the cabbage that may be residing there when you have a nasty chesty cough, like I am experiencing at the moment, which is the motivation of making this video. And it is very simple, and you probably won't ever have thought about it, and I can guarantee no one has put this up on YouTube. So you're about to hear something totally original which works. Now, at any age, you should do exercises, and this video is not about exercises, but you should do exercises because that is what helps to keep you healthy and strong and limber, particularly as you get older. Now, the thing is, with your exercises or with your stretches, you need to be able to bend down and touch your toes. And the reason I'm saying this is this needs to be part of your regular exercises, because a lot of people, if you don't do it and you invert yourself, if you try to do a handstand and you haven't done it for many years, all the blood rushes to your head in a most painful way. So you need to do it regularly, in which case no problem. Anyway, hopefully everyone watching this video is quite happy to bend over and touch their toes. Well, this is how you cough when you have a chesty cough and you're full of phlegm and cabbage, as I call it. What you have to do is simply this. And I'm not saying that you do this every time you cough, but if you do it a few times a day, you'll find it's very, very helpful. And it's best to do it in the bathroom, because not wanting to be crude, you will want to spit afterwards. And so to be able to spit it down the sink is what you want to do. So what you do, you bend over and touch your toes. And whilst your head is between your legs, head is between your legs, yeah, that's right, I got it right. Your head is between your knees. You cough then. And you do a full cough, and excuse me, because I've got this. You cough in that position, and you do it at 2 or 3 coughs, right? And you'll find that you will evacuate your lungs, your esophagus, your pipes, you'll really dislodge stuff. Clear it out and spit it down the sink, wash it away, and away it goes. And you'll feel so much better. So that is my little blessing for you today, because it is. If only people would realise, if you cough upside down, and it doesn't hurt so much. It's not. It doesn't hurt your throat, because a lot of the time the mucus and the phlegm gathers in this area, in your throat, in your neck. Excuse me again. That's where it gathers, right? And you cough and cough and cough, trying to get it up, and sometimes it's stuck, like at the back of your nose, and etc., etc. But invert yourself. Put your head down between your knees. Cough away 2 or 3 times, maybe more. You'll find your own rhythm, right? And everything will clear up, come through, and it happens without causing the trauma to your throat, and etc., etc. You don't get you don't feel like as if you're about to throw up or anything like that, because let gravity help, because as you cough, this heavy phlegm, and instead of having to be propelled up your esophagus and out, right? You're coughing downwards. It's dropping out of your lungs, down through your air pipe, and then you can easily spit it out, and you feel so much better. Well, I hope, excuse me, I hope that's helped you. If it has, I'd be encouraged to hear your responses, and well, if you want to subscribe or tick or whatever, right? But that's up to you. Anyway, God bless you. Let me pray for you before you go. Now may the Lord Jesus Christ reveal himself to you. As you call upon him for a healing virtue, for a healing touch, may he draw close to you. May you know his presence, because Jesus Christ loves you. Be blessed in the name of the Lord Jesus Christ. God bless.